Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects each and every one of us: posture and spinal health. You might not realize it, but your posture plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. Stick around as we uncover the secrets to maintaining perfect posture and ensuring a healthy spine. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness content. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is posture? Well, posture refers to the position in which you hold your body while sitting, standing, or lying down. Poor posture can lead to a variety of problems, from muscle imbalances to chronic pain. So, the first step is to become aware of your posture throughout the day. Did you know that your spine is the backbone of good posture? A healthy spine is not just about sitting up straight. It's about maintaining the natural curves of your spine. These curves help distribute weight evenly and reduce stress on your spinal discs. We all fall into bad habits from time to time. Whether it's slouching over your desk or hunching your shoulders while using your phone, these habits can lead to common postural problems. Rounded shoulders, forward head posture, and anterior pelvic tilt are just a few examples. Fear not, because we've got your back, quite literally. Here are some actionable tips to improve your posture and support your spinal health. Whether at work or at home, ensure your workstation is ergonomically designed to promote good posture. A strong core provides stability and support for your spine. Incorporate core strengthening exercises into your routine. Regular stretching helps maintain flexibility and counteracts the effects of sitting for long periods. Be conscious of your posture while sitting and standing. Imagine a string pulling you gently upward from the top of your head. Now, let's get moving. Here are a few exercises that can help improve your spinal health. This yoga-inspired stretch promotes flexibility in the spine and helps relieve tension. Strengthen your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles with this simple but effective exercise. Engage your core and build overall body strength, which directly contributes to better posture. Remember, it's not just about exercises. Your daily habits matter too. Here are a few lifestyle adjustments to support your posture and spinal health. Proper hydration keeps your spinal discs well nourished and functioning optimally. Excess weight can strain your spine and contribute to poor posture. Your sleeping posture matters. Choose a mattress and pillows that provide adequate support for your spine. There you have it, folks, the key to unlocking perfect posture and maintaining a healthy spine. By being mindful of your posture, incorporating exercises, and making small lifestyle adjustments, you can pave the way for a happier, pain-free life. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who could benefit from these tips. Until next time, keep standing tall and taking care of your incredible body. Stay healthy.